Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna speak about mental and physical health. At first, we're going to see about mental health. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. Although the terms are often used interchangeably, poor mental health and mental illness are not the same. A person can experience poor mental health and not be diagnosed with a mental illness. Likewise, a person diagnosed with a mental illness can experience periods of physical, mental, and social well-being. Mental health important for overall health. While seeing about the mental health for overall, mental and physical health are equally important components of overall health. For example, depression increases the risk for many types of physical health problems, particularly long-lasting conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Similarly, the presence of chronic conditions can increase the risk for mental illness. So, can your mental health change over time? Now we're going to see about the change in the mental state. Yes, it's important to remember that a person's mental health can change over time, depending on many factors. When the demands placed on a person exceed their resources and coping abilities, their mental health could be impacted. For example, if someone is working long hours, caring for a relative, or experiencing economic hardship, they may experience poor mental health. Common or mental illness. More than 50% will be diagnosed with a mental illness or disorder at some point in their lifetime. 1 in 5 will experience a mental illness in a given year. 1 in 5 children, either currently or at some point during their life, have had a seriously debilitating mental illness. 1 in 25 lives with a serious mental illness, such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or major depression. Causes for mental illness. There is no single cause for mental illness. A number of factors can attribute to risk for mental illness, such as yearly adverse life experiences such as trauma or a history of abuse. For example, let's say child abuse, sexual assault, witnessing violence, etc. Experiences related to other ongoing chronic medical conditions such as cancer or diabetes. Biological factors or chemical imbalances in the brain. Use of alcohol or drugs, and having feelings of loneliness or isolation. Physical health. Physical health. Physical health is defined as the condition of your body, taking into consideration everything from the absence of disease to fitness level. Physical health is critical for overall well-being and can be affected by lifestyle, human biology, environment, and healthcare service. Physical health. The interconnectedness of physical health with the other dimensions of well-being emphasizes its importance. Being a physically healthy person can involve a variety of activities. Aerobic activities. Activities involving moving the large muscles of the body. Walking, running, swimming, and biking are all examples of aerobic activities. Aerobic exercise improves the function of the cardiovascular system, and it can lower the risk of several chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Muscle strengthening activities. Activities often involving resistance or weights. They require the body to work against applied force or weight. Push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and weight training are all examples of muscle strengthening activities. These activities help to maintain or increase strength and muscle mass. Physical health aspects. Physical health involves many aspects of life, such as sleeping well, eating well, being physically active, having good hygiene, and getting enough relaxation. Sleep is an important component of physical health. Eating well, good nutrition, and physical activity. Physical health characteristics. A physically healthy person can several key characteristics in his or her life. healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, consistent exercise. So that's all about in this video. I hope you all have understood about the mental and physical health. So thank you.